How on earth can we solve this problem? Everything looks scattered. Let's follow and see how it will be solved. This is x raised to the power lambda minus lambda raised to the power x equals to 17. This 17, you can now think of something. You can manipulate and get two numbers in which one is subtracted, it gives you 17. That number should be 81 minus 64. Let's try it and see. That means x to the power lambda equals to lambda to the power x equals to this 64. You can break it in the form of 3 to the power 4. That means 3 to the power 4. And minus this one, you can say 4 to the power 3. Can you see it? Everything has been reversed. So, from common sense, you know that, look at the base, x is equal to 3. And look at the power here, x is equal to 3. Can you see it? And the base here, 4, lambda is equal to 4. And look at lambda here is equal to 4. Everything has become simple. That means, therefore, you can beat your chest and say that x is equal to 3 and lambda is equal to 4. That is it. If you like, you can put it there, you can get the answer. Thank you.